Ready to turn your phone into a crypto trading powerhouse. First, download Photon from your app store. Once installed, open the app. Next, create your account. Enter your email, choose a strong password, and if you have a referral code, add it here. Then, agree to the terms and conditions and tap sign up. Now, connect your wallet. Photon supports multiple wallets, but we'll show you MetaMask. Tap Connect Wallet, select MetaMask, and follow the on-screen prompts within your MetaMask app to authorize the connection. Let's find a trade. Use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, like ETH/USDT. Tap on the pair to open the trading chart. This is your trading chart. You can analyze price trends using candlestick patterns and technical indicators like moving averages. To execute a trade, choose either buy or sell. Select your order type. Market for instant execution. Limit to set a specific price, or stop limit to trigger an order at a certain price. Protect your capital. Set a stop loss to limit potential losses and a take profit to automatically close your position when your target price is reached. Before you trade, boost your security. Enable two-factor authentication in your account settings and consider whitelisting your withdrawal addresses for added protection. Now you're ready to start trading. Remember to start small, manage your risk, and continue learning to make the most of Photon on mobile. Happy trading!